Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know guys, here we talk about any and everything technology. We research, review, we discover, and if that is something that you like I like, then this is a great place for you. Now guys, today we're going to talk about robots. Okay guys, robots are out there, they've been out there, and they're just becoming more and more and more popular. You know, people are saying robots are going to take our jobs. They're just going to replace some of us. Anyway, just some of us. So, Aptronics has had their stake in this also with the robots. Now, they are coming out soon with a coworker, colleague-friendly robot. Now, guys, this robot is especially made for manufacturing, warehousing. He even says some elderly care. Well, yeah. I hope it doesn't go to babysitting, but who knows? We'll see. Okay, anyway, this robot is just like a human. He is made to have this friendly look. His eyes are black, and it's set to have this demeanor where, you know, he's going to get along with coworkers. Now, this robot is 5'8". He weighs 160 pounds, and he can lift up to 55 pounds. He has a 4-hour battery life. And the battery can be swapped out after the 4 hours. Now, guys, I know if any of you have ever worked in manufacturing, we all know 4 hours is not going to cut it because you work long hours. And even though you could swap out the battery, who's going to swap out the battery? So the IT people are probably going to be really busy, and it's probably something really simple. So I guess the maintenance guys will do it. I'm not sure. It depends on the company. Okay, guys. Also, the robot has panels on his face and on his chest. And that's how you communicate with the robot. Now, guys, it is said in 2025, robots will replace as many as 2 million jobs. And that's in manufacturing. So, guys, do you think these robots will help the company? Some advantages are these robots will increase productivity, I'm sure. But will they be able to make the decisions to move forward in the future? Because everybody knows those robots are going to do whatever we put into them. Okay, because we're programming these. So maintaining these robots, if they break down, you're going to need a human. So all of us, I don't think we'll be out of jobs. And that's just my opinion. Because somebody's going to have to maintain these robots. Now, anybody knows when you're dealing in factories and manufacturing, and you got to make certain decisions. So that might come into play. Does he know something's falling down and he needs to move out of the way? Or does he know he needs to go a little further because this one's full? This shelf is full. We need to go around a corner and go to a next one or find one on another aisle. Will he know how to do that? Or she or it or the robot, whatever it is. These are some questions that we need to be asking. So guys, let me know what you guys think about these robot co-workers or colleagues, as we can call them. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for coming and supporting my channel. And as always, be kind to one another and treat people the way you want to be treated. Bye guys.